Guess what time it is? Yep, here it is. There she blows. Ready to rock. Let's see what's in it. Water, ready to go. ShellFest 2025. Let's do this.
Hey y'all, welcome to ShellFest 2025. We got the pop started. We'll throw the liquids in. We got 4 summer shandies. I've got an onion and celery puree. That's the platinum. I'll let it warm up a little bit, then throw the seasonings in. Oh shit, that already smells good. Alright, I'm going to start with the seasonings. I got all 3 boil boosters going in right now. Herbal overload. These are salt free too, so Zesty citrus and smashed garlic. In addition to that, 5 pounds of my seasoning going in. Medium spice. You can find the recipe to this up here. The recipe to this seasoning. I like to control the spice because there's not a lot of people that like it really spicy, so I control the spice this way. Give it a quick spin. And we'll be back to throw in artichoke, onion, garlic, citrus. The good stuff.
Okay, now we're dumping in the citrus, orange, and lemons. Thank you, Naya. And now, Escarly and Amelia, who just came back from Hawaii, are dumping in the artichoke and the onions. We're gonna let this go for a minute, okay? We're gonna let it go for a minute. How long are we gonna let it go for? We're gonna let it go for 15 minutes, and then we dump in potatoes. All right, Nicole is dumping in the potatoes. We got blue, red, and Yukon gold, baby. Let's go. Thank you. All right, I think we're gonna go, what, 10 minutes or so? And then we're Brussels sprouts. Ooh! Okay, Amy is gonna dump in the Brussels sprouts. Ooh! Thank you, dear. All right, we're gonna go 10 more minutes and then we're gonna do sausage and mushrooms and then see. All right, there goes Ava. Dumping in the mushrooms. Thank you. And sausage. Maggie, sausage. Maggie's gonna dump in the sawasagi. I got Cajun and Dewey and smoked sausage. Thank you. All right. Let it go to a boil and then in goes Brett, the birthday boys, dumping in the shrimp. Scrimps! Scrimps!
Yeah.
All right, and all of it needs to go in right now.
I don't know what this is, but it's going in.
Green crab legs going in.
You ready? Ah!
Thank you, dear. All right, thank you. And then Nicole again is going to dump in the snow crab legs. And I'm going to shut this off as soon as she dumps it in. Yeah, thank you, Nicole. All right, we're going to wait until it comes to a boil and then shut it off. Let it simmer for 20 minutes or so. Okay, we're good. We're done. This is all cooked. I'm going to go ahead and shut off the fire and dump in the frozen corn to help it cool down. And maybe some ice if you want to. Don't worry. If I dump in ice, it's not going to dilute it. There's so much seasoning in there. It won't dilute it. I say that everywhere. Oh, shit.
Oh, is that it?
Oh,
All right, here we go.
Oh,
we go.
yeah. Woo! Woo! Oh, yeah. Look at that, baby. Woo!
All right.
ShellFest 2025, bitches!